In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create pixel-perfect icons in Figma. We'll keep this simple, clean, and precise, so your icons look sharp at any size. First, head over to Figma and open a design file where you want to work. It helps to view your canvas at 100% and keep an eye on the pixel grid as you design, because pixel-perfect really means your shapes sit neatly on whole pixels without any fuzzy edges. If you're designing for common sizes, like 16, 24, or 32 pixels, try to work at that target size from the start to avoid surprises later. Begin by adding an ellipse. Select the ellipse tool and drag while holding Shift to form a perfect circle. Aim for whole number dimensions and coordinates so the edges render sharply. Even numbers often pair nicely with stroke widths. If you're using a stroke, choose a stroke width that complements your icon size and keep the stroke centered unless you have a specific reason to change it. Tiny adjustments make a big difference at small scales, so zoom in to verify that everything aligns crisply. Next, click on Polygon in the shape picker. This gives you quick access to geometric shapes you can incorporate into your icon or use as accents. The Polygon tool is handy for triangles, pentagons, and more, and it follows the same pixel-perfect principles. Keep sizes and positions on whole pixels, and use consistent angles or counts to maintain a cohesive visual language across your icon set. Now, add 3 small circles. Use the ellipse tool again and create 1 small dot, then duplicate it to make 2 more. Keep them identical in size and align them carefully, either horizontally or vertically, depending on your concept. Consistent spacing is key for balance. Use smart guides to help you keep the gaps even. Make sure each circle's position and size are whole numbers to maintain sharp edges, and check that the dots sit visually centered relative to your main shape. Finally, change the colors. Set your fills and strokes to match your brand or system palette, and ensure there's enough contrast so the icon reads clearly at a glance. If the icon will sit on various backgrounds, test a few scenarios to confirm it stays legible. For a unified look, keep color counts minimal and reuse the same values across related icons. That's it. By starting in Figma, building with clean ellipses and polygons, adding 3 precisely spaced circles and finishing with thoughtful colors, you'll have a crisp, pixel-perfect icon ready for your interface.